So what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's shit. I don't have a phone mount. I know. I need a phone mount. It's gonna fall again. Hold up. So welcome back. We're gonna be working on the Civic today. Hopefully, I'm gonna go pick up parts now for it. That basically has been in storage for a year now in my boy's garage. So we're gonna go get those. I'm the new daily driving it. If you follow my Instagram, go follow it right there. So you can see what I'm driving now every day. Plan on keeping it stock. I don't know, it's kind of hard for this one. But yeah, I'm gonna get all the parts for the Civic. We're gonna install those because I wanna get it ready for a show that's coming this week. And I only have today to do it. So we're gonna try to knock it out. Right now it's 10 in the morning. Probably gonna start working at it like 12 or so once I get everything picked up. So, you know, stay tuned for that. I'm excited. Excited. So gotta put work in today. It's now 11:50 and now that we're headed to the shop, but we should be able to get it done. I'm excited. I'm hyped. Here we go. Got the car on the lift. Got everything teared out. That's plugged in already. So he's gotta take off the wheels. Gonna run the struts or the lines and sensors for the lines. Duro de lo duro.
Slim bellows for the cambies.
And then slim for the rear so you won't have that exhaust issue.
Sure. For those who don't know, it's already pre-slotted a little bit.
So we're gonna be running flyer struts, and we're doing slim bags all around. So you know that exhaust issue that you have with airlift, you won't have that issue with these since they're a lot slimmer than the other ones. Look at this. Had these for like 8 months. Just haven't had time to install them. So let's go. Let's get to it. That'd be nice. New parts are always good. So I got this strut installed. No airline ran. Just gonna see how it fits with just the camber plate maxed out. So this is just a test fit with just the top plate maxed out. We still got a lot of poke, but the white with these wheels are gonna look freaking dope. I'm hyped. I'm excited. Look at that. That's it. I think the wheel turned a little bit. I wish I could tuck. But I can't cut the back. So this right here is gonna be the fitment for the front. It's looking good. We left it on purpose with this little tiny gap right here so like I can air out zero. No, I'm not gonna crush the fender. Love how it looks. Ugly, it looks like hubcaps now. Look at this. So we got the strut installed and we did this plate here. Oh wow. This to push the spindle out. So I just gotta paint that up. Not touching anything, so we're good there. Right there. You can see the hub. Got a lot of clearance, so slim bellow bags, definitely the way to go. Look at this. Fit my whole hand, no problem. All the way around. So we're good on that. So what we did here, oops. This is normally where the strap bolts onto, but we're gonna relocate it to this hole, which is a little bit smaller normally. You can see it here, is that hole. So we relocated there so that it's a little bit more in and it doesn't like hit on the wheel when it's cambered in. So now I just gotta have all the rear suspension out except the spring on this side. Got the camber arm out and the strut. And this side, same thing. This one got everything else. So I'm gonna put the bag, the new camber arm, and the strut back in. So when you do the relocation, you have to cut this out in the back because this sticks out just enough. So he's gonna bend the back now.
Let the secret out.
How you fit such a wide wheel without rubbing? This is how. And then we got this is the prototype fly air arms here. These are the first originals. If you go to his page, you can see them for sale. How many sets you got left? So these are adjustable through the center here, and they give you a lot more camber. So with that arm, how it comes, you can get like negative 12, negative 10 bolt on without having to cut anything or nothing like that. Shit looks good. All right, I'm gonna just get it done. I'm not gonna record anything in between so I can get it out because I haven't ran the airline. So let's see. There we go, all installed. So now we just got to run the airline. Fronts are done, just gotta tidy up. Gotta put the brake line back, the ABS clip back. But all that stuff there is done on all corners. Look at that. You see it? Oof. And then same thing with the other bags, they're all done. Bolt-on camber arms right here. That fitment you saw? Bolt-on. So this is the sensor lines that I ran. I tied them up for now because I don't have, I didn't hook up the sensor, so I'm just gonna save it there until I connect those, sorry. And then this is the air line that I'm gonna connect obviously to the manifold there. So I just gotta find out which line does what, like left, right, front, right, etc. And then I gotta connect the compressor. I got the new fitting on it, got the new fitting on the tank over here, so I'm gonna connect that, and then we should be good to test it out to see at least. This came out fire. Look at this. What do you guys think? Ooh. All four corners. So beat. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. So I've been working on this. What, started at 12 hours. Oh shit, it's locked. But the results, and it's worth it. Let me show you one more time before I close the video. This aired up, you know, left it aired up obviously to check for any ear leaks, stuff like that. This just, oh, it does it for me. The gold hardware on the white. Yeah, stay tuned. There's a show up coming, so I'm gonna clean it up. Hopefully it's freaking filthy, and gotta put the cobble back on. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. So aired up, the car was -11 in the rear and 10.5 in the front, or 10, I don't remember.